Hi everyone, today we'll show you how to do the pillow with 3D at Max. First of all, we will create a box and give the box some segment. You can do it with your segment and then uh, apply the cloth here and open the object property. Click on Pop to use the cloth here and then choose whatever you want. I want to do wood, and pressure here is how inflation it is. Uh, the more you give it pressure, it will be more inflated. I'll give it 3 and click OK. And go to the property panel here and do the simulation local. It will make for you the pillow. And you can adjust the simulation here with like reset 9 or decrease it to 4. It will have the different. And now do the, yeah, thank you.